Welcome back to the toy shop. Our road to Ellerslie is complete. We have just come back, having won 4th place in the masterclass, and we're very, very proud of it.
This vehicle was only ever built to be a road car. It was never built to go on the show. So the fact that we actually came forth against some of the best builds in New Zealand, we are really proud of that fact.
So what does the Ellerslie judging criteria look like, whether you're entering or you're invited into the classes? You're judged on your paint, you're judged on your panels, you're judged on your panel gaps. They have judges for the chrome, for the interior, even for wiring harnesses. Every step is broken down, so it's worth going through the entire vehicle step by step to understand what the judges are looking for.
One of the criteria we're judged on is body panels and body panel gaps. They use a fabric glove to run their hands across the vehicle and across all the gaps to check they are true and correct. Out of a possible 70 points, we got one of the highest scores of the day, which was 67.
So some of the vehicles in the class that we entered, they were years in the making. And the toy shop team, we did this in 11 months. And we're really, really proud of that. Still managing to pay attention to every last detail.
With the engine bay criteria, you can score a maximum of 60 points. We got 52, which is on par with the winning car. One of the other criteria that we got judged on was battery and wiring looms. We got 25 out of 25 here, and we used the original loom for this vehicle. All we did was tidy it and clean it.
Oh, absolutely. We took it down to all its wires individually, tested them, made sure they all worked. We replaced the odd wire as necessary, but then re-wrapping the loom in the original tape. It clearly demonstrates it's a restored harness, and the judges, I think they felt that that's what they were judging, not judging the manufacturer on a brand new harness that would seem to be fitted to most of the other vehicles. So the underside of the vehicle, and make no mistake, the judges will climb under that too. This is a fully restored vehicle and everything is clean and tidy and in its place. But we got marked down a little, and that's because of the exhaust. Although it's brand new and it's very clean and tidy, it's not original. So it's worth keeping in mind the originality as well.
Although we were marked down, we're still only 1 point away from the Bugatti. Overall, the team has done an absolute fantastic job on this for an 11-month build. We're super excited in coming forth.
Oh, absolutely. Everyone's done such a tremendous job on this car. But sadly for us, it's time to hand it back to the owner.
Now we've got the bug, so what's going to be our next Ellerslie build?